So once upon a time, studios were a great entry-level way to call Brickell home, and boy, has that been flipped on its head. Entry-level studios may still be the most affordable way to experience the condo lifestyle, but they are far from affordable. Case in point, the studio we're touring today at 1010 Brickell, which was recently rented by Mario from the Vargas team. So shout out to my boy Mario, who along with Isabel, handle all of our rental clients and make sure that we provide the highest quality of service to you guys, my clients, and my future clients out there. So this studio at just 646 square feet, rented for $2,400 per month at the prestigious 1010 Brickell condominium in the heart of Brickell. And you may be thinking that $2,400 is a lot of cash to dish out every month, especially for just 600 square feet. But I must tell you that there are a lot of reasons to see that as a great value proposition. And we're going to get to all of those reasons in just a few moments. But before we do, if this is your first time here and you're wondering who I am, my name is Steven Vargas. I'm the co-founder of the Vargas team, and every week I bring to you guys Miami real estate content and property tour videos. So if getting to know the Miami real estate market is something that you're interested in, then consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell to be alerted of my weekly videos. And if you're wondering how you can help me out and the channel out, you can always do that by clicking that thumbs up button, as that helps me out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so what do you get for $2,400? Well, for one, the location can't be beat. You're basically in Mary Brickell Village or across the street, but that's a given. So let's move on to the next one. Probably just as important is the building itself. Built in 2017, 1010 Brickell has gorgeous finishes in all of the units and probably some, if not the best amenities you're going to find in Brickell. So aside from the usual suspects that pretty much every building has, add to that a basketball court, a racquetball court, a rock climbing wall, and a jogging pad that goes around the building so you can actually get your jogging without actually leaving the building, if you could believe it or not. All right, so I've hyped this up enough already, and I'm done doing that. So let's get straight to the video. And guys, of course, as always, enjoy.